Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to copy a Smartsheet to another sheet, in other words, how to pull data from one sheet to another quickly and easily. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know step by step how to duplicate any sheet you need for your project, saving yourself hours of manual work and making your Smartsheet workflow way more efficient. Alright, let's dive right into it. First things first, start by heading over to the Browse section in Smartsheet. Think of Browse as your file explorer. It's where all your sheets live, neatly organized so you can find anything you're working on. Take a second to make sure you're in the right workspace or folder if you have lots of sheets. Especially if you're managing a team or several projects at once, keeping everything organized here will pay off later. Now find the exact sheet you want to copy. This is really important because you want to make sure you're working with the correct sheet, especially if there are several with similar names. If your sheet collection is pretty big, you can use the search bar up at the top to type in part of the sheet name and jump straight to it. Once you've located your sheet, here comes the key part. Right-click on the sheet name. When you right-click, a context menu will pop up with a number of different options. What we're looking for here is the Save as New option. This does exactly what it sounds like. It creates a brand new sheet for you, with all the data, formatting, and structure from your original. Go ahead and choose Save as New. You'll get a prompt asking you to name your new copy. This is your chance to keep things organized, so give it a clear, easily recognizable name. For example, if you're updating a sheet for a new client or a new quarter, add those details to the name so you won't get your wires crossed later. A little attention to naming now can save a lot of searching and confusion down the line. So double-click on your newly named copy, that'll open it up, and you'll see you're now inside the duplicate sheet. At this point, you've got a full copy. All your columns, rows, formulas, attachments, and comments are right here, exactly as they were in the original sheet. Take a moment to look everything over and make sure it imported the way you expect. Sometimes, depending on your settings, you might need to adjust a column or two, but don't worry, this is absolutely normal and just part of working with data copies. And that's honestly it. You now have a brand new Smartsheet, fully copied, ready for you to tweak, share, or use as the foundation for your next task. This method is especially handy if you manage recurring reports, repeating project templates, or if you just need to set up a fresh sheet without starting from scratch. Think of it like having a blueprint ready anytime you build. It saves you from reinventing the wheel every single time. If you made it this far, great job. If you're new to Smartsheet or if any step was confusing, don't worry, just take it one stage at a time. And of course, let me know in the comments if you hit any snags or if there's something else you want to learn about Smartsheet. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, straightforward guides like this. Drop your questions or share your tips down below, and I'll see you in the next video.